First, make sure that the charger is unplugged from the wall before cleaning it. Take the alcohol wipe and clean the inside of both charging ports. Make sure that the wipe is not too damp. Dry the devices fully. Use the brush to finish cleaning out any dirt and debris. Blowing into the unit will also help break up any debris. Clean the mini port of the charging base by blowing into the port and cleaning with the brush where the cable plugs into the unit. Using the brush, clean the charging cable ends as well. Make sure the unit is completely dry before plugging it into the wall. Once your unit has been cleaned and is dry, plug your charger into the wall. Put the hearing aids into the charging dock and see if the light comes on. The light should be red at first, eventually turning green when the unit is charged. Regularly charge your device as well.